Join me as I dive into the stock market and challenge myself to build long-term wealth by picking the best 7 stocks for 2025. Building long-term wealth through smart investments is a goal for many of us. The idea of picking stocks that will grow significantly over time is exciting, but it requires careful consideration. In 2025, the market is expected to evolve, and certain stocks are poised to outperform others. Selecting the right stocks can be daunting. The sheer volume of information available can be overwhelming, making it difficult to discern which stocks have the potential for long-term growth. Market volatility, economic shifts, and company performance all play a role in stock value fluctuations. Moreover, past performance is not always indicative of future results, which means investors have to stay informed about current trends and future projections. This involves a lot of research and sometimes a bit of guesswork. The fear of missing out on a great opportunity, or worse, investing in a stock that will plummet, can be paralyzing. It's crucial to have a strategy and a deep understanding of the market dynamics. Another challenge is the emotional roller coaster that comes with investing. Decisions can't be made based on emotions. They need to be data-driven. The current market trends suggest a significant shift towards technology and sustainable energy. Companies that are innovating in these spaces are likely to see substantial growth. 7 stocks that stand out in 2025 are companies that have shown remarkable resilience and potential for growth. They span across various sectors, including tech, healthcare, and renewable energy. The first few stocks are well-established companies with a history of performance. They have strong management teams and are in sectors that are expected to see significant growth. Among these, tech companies are leading the charge, with innovations that could change the way we live and work. One stock, however, stands out among the rest. A tech company that's been working on AI and machine learning with impressive results. Their recent product launches have been met with incredible market enthusiasm. This stock has shown remarkable growth potential, with projections suggesting it could easily double in value over the next few years. What makes it particularly appealing is its innovative approach to technology. The reason this stock stands out is its scalability and the vast market demand for its products. It's positioned in a way that it could benefit from multiple growth drivers. In conclusion, building long-term wealth requires patience, research, and a bit of courage. The 7 stocks discussed have the potential to significantly contribute to this goal. If you have any thoughts on these stocks or other investment strategies, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Also, check out my other videos for more insights on how to grow your wealth through smart investments.